crafty friends, this is the Papered Chef here. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be introducing you to a concept called simple stamping, where we just use stamps, ink, and paper to create a card. Okay, after we create our simple card, I'll show you a couple variations of how you can take that card to the next level. Okay, all the Stampin' Up! Demonstrators were challenged by Stampin' Up! To create simple stamping cards for Valentine's Day. So I chose this set called Hey Love, which is part of the Occasions catalog. And if you'd like a copy of the catalog, please use the contact form in the description below to get a hold of me. Okay, it's super cute, and look at these little awesome sentiments. Okay, so the card I'll be making is going to use the ape, and it's going to use Hey Valentine as this one sentiment, and I'm ape over you. And the only colors we're going to be using are Lovely Lipstick and Memento Black. And I'm using these narrow Whisper White note cards. They're really awesome, and they come with matching envelopes, and these are part of our annual catalog. I love Whisper White cardstock because of its great ink absorption. Okay, and I love when there's note cards already for you in packets because I bring those to workshops and they're already pre-scored and it's pretty nice. Okay, I'm just flipping the lid open for the Lovely Lipstick. That is one of our ink colors. And I'm just gonna go, I've already mounted my stamp. Okay, this is the little ape stamp. We have these new cling stamps, they're pretty awesome. And all I'm gonna do is go tap, 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 just to make sure I have even coverage. And I'm gonna go ahead and stamp onto my card. Okay, whenever I stamp, I not only hold it for a few seconds, but I also press it down with my finger just to make sure. Okay, I think that looks good. So we have a Lovely Lipstick ape. Okay, now let's put the sentiments, and let's go ahead and even close that because we're done with that color, and you don't want to get it on your arms or shirt or whatever. And we're going to use black for the sentiments. And I'm going to put first, Hey Valentine. Now, as I mentioned, we have cling stamps, and what's new about those is you can actually put the sticker on them and then mount them onto your clear blocks, and they really stick well. Okay, Hey Valentine. Okay, looks good. And then I'm gonna just go ahead and ink up the I'm ape over you sentiment. Okay, tap, tap, tap. And then I'm just gonna ink that. And again, just hold it for a second. Okay, so we have a cute little card. And the only other thing I did was take one of my markers, which is the exact color. And I just, like I mentioned, Lovely Lipstick's one of our in colors. So I just took the marker and I colored in that heart. So I'm still using just, again, stamp, ink, and paper. And I went and colored in the heart, and then I'll show you my finished cards. So, I mean, it's just so easy. It's so cute. These sentiments are so easy to color because there's big, wide open spots. Okay. So there's our card, simply stamped. Okay, let me show you the ones I made ahead of time, kind of like, you know, your cooking show where you have your stamp card. This looks a little better as it dries. You see how the heart is even when it dries, the color on the heart. Okay, and then you can take it to the next level. So what you do to take it to the next level is you just start layering your card. So in this case, I layered my card using Lovely Lipstick cardstock. And I still use the same exact sentiments, and you may see that I added some Wink Estella, which is a great little glitter pen, and you might see the little glitter in the light there. I'll actually bring the little, here, let's bring the ape closer so you can see that cute little glitter. Okay, so now what I use for that, for those sentiments is for the I'm ape over you, I use the 1-inch circle punch, and for the ape itself, I use the 2 1/4 inch circle punch. Okay, so you can always take your cards to the next level. And for the sentiment, I use the classic label punch. Okay, but I mean, you can just tell the difference between the simply stamped card and this card. They're both like super cute, but it just depends on the supplies you have and how you can take it to the next level. You want to take it one more advanced level, you can then cut out your ape, okay? And you can use your designer series paper. So this designer series paper is really cute. It's called like In Color Designer Series paper, and there's lots more patterns than this. I just grabbed a couple pieces to show you. But you can use the Designer Series paper as your layer, and you can use our Stampin Blends to color your ape. Okay, and the two colors of Stampin Blends I used in combination are the Crumb Cake. I used the light and the dark Crumb Cake Stampin Blends. Okay, and then I colored in the ape, and then I still used, let me just lay that there, this Wink of Stella pen. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this simple stamping example, and I hope you will go ahead and give that a try with a stamp set that you already have, or if you'd like to get a hold of any of the products I showed you, please contact me using the contact form below. And I hope you subscribe to my channel if you're new here. This is the Papered Chef. Until next time, happy Valentine's Day.